How to choose and install a rooftop cargo box on a Volkswagen Golf. Choosing and installing a rooftop cargo box on your Volkswagen Golf can open up a world of possibilities for your adventures. Whether you're planning a road trip, heading to the mountains for a weekend of skiing, or simply need extra space for your family's belongings, a rooftop cargo box can make your travels more convenient and enjoyable. When choosing a rooftop cargo box for your Volkswagen Golf, there are a few factors to consider. First, determine the size and weight capacity that you require. Think about the items you'll be carrying and make sure the cargo box can accommodate them. Consider the dimensions of the box to ensure it fits securely on your Golf's roof without obstructing the antenna or creating any aerodynamic issues. Next, consider the design and features of the rooftop cargo box. Look for a box that is durable and weather-resistant, as it will be exposed to the elements during your travels. A secure locking system is also important to protect your belongings. Some boxes offer dual-sided opening, which can make loading and unloading easier. Once you've chosen the perfect rooftop cargo box, it's time to install it on your Volkswagen Golf. Start by reading the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure you understand the installation process. Most rooftop cargo boxes are designed to be compatible with a variety of roof rack systems, so check that your Golf has a roof rack or crossbars installed. If not, you may need to purchase and install a roof rack system before proceeding. To install the cargo box, place it on the Golf's roof rack, aligning it with the crossbars. Make sure it is centered and evenly distributed. Attach the cargo box to the roof rack using the provided mounting hardware, following the instructions carefully. Ensure that all bolts are tightened securely to prevent any movement or loosening during travel. Once the cargo box is securely installed, give it a final check to ensure everything is in place. Double-check that the box is properly locked and that there are no loose items inside. Take a moment to admire your newly enhanced Volkswagen Golf and envision all the amazing adventures you'll embark on. Remember to always drive with caution and adjust your driving habits based on the increased size and weight of your vehicle. Be mindful of clearance heights when entering parking garages or drive-thrus, and drive at a safe speed to maintain control and reduce wind resistance. With your rooftop cargo box installed, your Volkswagen Golf is ready for any adventure that comes your way. Enjoy the extra space and convenience, and make memories that will last a lifetime.